Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, TechG is all about the latest tech and gadgets. With today's video, we are going to have a look one of the best Kickstarter project created by MOMAX. This is the world's first soul therapy smart ambient LED clock lamp that comes with a smart home enabled as well as an inbuilt wireless charger for your smartphone. You can find the product link and more details in the description below. Well, without further ado, let's get started. The first impression about the packaging. MOMAX has done a great job in terms of the packaging presentation. As you can see, it is very colorful and eye-catching retail box. The bottom part of the box you can see printed details about the product and the QR code to download the MOMAX Smart app. Let's see what you get inside the box. As far as the unboxing concerned, you do get a MOMAX LED smart lamp, printed user guide, and last power adapter with switchable plug. Let's get started with the design and the build quality. Well, this is made out of a mix of materials such as metal and ABS plastic. However, thanks to the gloss white color, shows a premium quality look and a unique design. It measures about 226 by 231 by 103.6 millimeters and weight about 700 grams. Bottom part of the lamp, you can see those tactile buttons that helps to navigate the device or enable some features such as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Having said that, this device has an inbuilt Bluetooth that helps to connect with your smartphone. You can use this lamp as a portable media device and play music thanks to the 5-watt inbuilt speaker. The speaker and passive radiator located underneath the lamp next to the control buttons. Furthermore, this device supports Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz with about 10-meter range. It has 15 watts wireless charging pad and you can easily use almost any major brand with even bigger size smartphones. As you can see, I'm using my iPhone 12 Pro Max with the device easily. Furthermore, this is a case-friendly wireless charger as I am using slim case with this iPhone 10. The phone has charged within a reasonably decent time. On the side, it has a power input and a reverse USB-C port that can use to power up the device using a power bank or connect Type-C cable to charge your smartphone. But first priority is the charging pad as you won't be able to use both wireless charger or Type-C cable charger at the same time. And last, you can see the small LED display that helps to see the time, weather, alarm and wireless charging, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth indicators. You can customize the brightness level of the display using the Smart app. So you can connect the device with the MOMAX Smart app once you connect with the Wi-Fi. You can download the MOMAX Smart app from the Apple App Store or Android Play Store. Setting up the device with the app is straightforward and all you need to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. Furthermore, you will get a clear detailed instruction on the screen. Also, it will allow you to connect with the smart home systems like Alexa or Google Assistants. To connect with the Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, again follow the on-screen instructions. In my case, I am using Amazon Alexa device to connect with the Sense LED lamp. After successfully enable the Alexa skills, I was able to control the lamp via voice command. Alexa, turn on MOMAX.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off MOMAX.
Okay.
Before we check the Smart app features, let's check the sound quality. Frankly, for the size of the device and the speaker, sound is fairly decent when connected with the Bluetooth. Let's see what you can do with the Smart app. You can customize the lamp with the Smart app settings such as device time, location, display brightness, night mode and weather condition. You can set up 2 different alarms with custom light mode and custom sound. Also, you can assign your preferred alarm on selected dates in the week with a wake up light mode. Having said that, you can see you do get few different style of alarm sound, light mode with custom alarm duration to choose from. Furthermore, app will allow you to customize the alarm volume level. More importantly, you get one tap snooze feature that gives you an additional 9 minutes of rest. In sleep mode, you can enjoy a soft night light or choose something white noise from the Smart Life app. Once again, you always can customize the duration, sleep sound and the light mode. Once again, with the app, you can choose which color you prefer according to your mood. It has so many color variants available to choose, and you can adjust the brightness level using the Smart app. The next feature is the light therapy option. You do get 9 presets with a preloaded sound that will perfectly sync with the ambient light. That will help you to improve your lifestyle and relax your mind after a stressful day. You can use this feature to de-stress yourself, start your day with a fresh feeling, use it to have a relaxed and good night's sleep, or use it to work out, practice, yoga, and even you can turn these to a party mode or into music mode. Let's quickly check few presets before we move into next option. The next option is a smart automation feature. You can create a custom automation for different scenarios. Say for an example, you can enable to activate an alarm and turn on the light once your phone is fully charged, or send a message to different phone that has the same app installed with the same login. Also, you can create another scenario depending on the weather change, like if it start to rain, lamp will notify you with a message to your smartphone and turn the alarm with the preferred light mode. So you can try so many automation options as it comes with a handful of scenarios preloaded. This is one of the reasons this MOMAX ZENSE light is much better than other smart devices in the market, as it comes with fully loaded smart features inbuilt. So my final thoughts are, I do recommend this all-in-one Ambiance smart lamp, as it is kind all-in-one companion and well worth what you spend. It is like the next level of the alarm clock that you can charge your phone wirelessly and use as a media player while experiencing different light therapy mode that will help you to improve your lifestyle. I wish this comes with an inbuilt battery for more portability, but you can always carry your power bank and connect the lamp if you wish to take it outdoors. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this next generation smart lamp in the comment section below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribing to see more videos like these. Well, see you again with another one and stay safe.